Hello everyone, I am Neha. My student code is FT41 underscore 480140. We are here to present our project for Block 42 Construct Week. This is a very interesting project. We were given a 5 days and we are a group of 4 members presenting this project. We use Python as our main language and we deployed the Streamlit app using stream.io. I'll be sharing my screen to further explain about our project. So, this is a project based on the Indian EV market. Our project logo is Voltaic Vehicles Market. So, first we have imported the pandas as PD, and uh, this dataset contains the EV market by place, which tells the information about the EV manufacturers by states and cities. The next dataset, which is EV sales data, contains the yearly sales data by manufacturers and category. The next dataset, EV category data, has the registration trends of different vehicles by types. The next operational IPC contains operational public charging stations in different cities and states. The vehicle class contains the registration uh, by people by vehicles classification. So the further cleaning and handling the missing inconsistent data will be explained by my teammate Ajam.
So, hello everyone. My name is Azam Ali and my student code is FD41 underscore 470094. And I will be here to present my project. In this project, we have to clean the data set and handle any missing value or innocent data. So first we are upload our data emaker by place, and I want to clean my data. Then I will use a df dot is null and dot sum. In these functions tell about the how many missing value in my data set. Tell about this. So when I'm checking the missing value, these functions I use for check the missing value. In this data don't have any missing value, so I got the further, and the data set used in analysis are completed and do not continue any missing value. The next part is a perform exploratory data analysis, easier to understand the key and feature and patterns. So in this data set, we are performing the exploratory data analysis. So the first functions is df.info. The functions tell about the basic information about the data set, just like how many columns are in present in my data set, and how many rows and how many entries, and what type of data in my data set present in my data set. So that's the things. And after that, going to a second part, df dot describe. This parts tell about the summary of statics, how many, this like a count, unique, top, frequency, mean, median, mode. It's a data set uses for a categorical, but where I can find mean, median, mode, it is used for numerical purpose. So df dot describes tells about the summary of a statistical part. So we are going to the further part. The further part is explained by my teammate Neetu Kumar. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Neetu. My batch is FD39 and student code is 279. I am sharing about the KPI. What is KPI? KPI, Key Performance Indicator. In my project, India AV Market Analytics, KPI helps to analyzing the growth and trends of the electronic vehicles market in India. Some important KPI included annual EV growth rate, how much the EV electronic vehicle market growth each year. which company sells the most electronic vehicles, and which state is in India have the highest number of the electronic vehicles, and the percentage of the total EV sales by the each company, and the yearly sales trends we can calculate it. EV sales by the types, so two vehicles, four vehicle, and three vehicle, etc. And the highest number of and lowest number of electronic vehicles per year per sales. And we calculated also state with the most registered EV and the state with the least number of electronic vehicles. The average number of and the middle point electronic vehicle registrations per states. Which city which city with more than one electronic vehicle manufacturer? KPI is helps in the decision making by showing trends and spend and the area of improvement. Thank you. Next part, visualization of the given data set. It is explained by my teammate by Neha.
So the visualization of the data set, we have used the different types of charts here. So the first one is the number of EV manufacturer by state. So we have used a bar chart here. We can easily see this. The x-axis, we have given it as a state, and the y-axis, we have given this as the number of manufacturers. The highest manufacturer in by state is Maharashtra, and the least is Punjab. Next, we have used the align graph to tell the number of EV manufacturers by cities. The highest is the Pune by cities, and the least is the Ahmedabad, and etc. The top three states with the most EV manufacturers, we have used the pie graph. We can easily see here the 46.9%. The Maharashtra is in the top one and has the highest EV manufacturing companies. So we have used all the cleaning of data set and handling of missing inconsistent data set, performing EDA, KPIs for the all the given 5 data sets here. I'll just be showing all the data sets and the visualization done for all the given data sets. We also use the box plot and also a heat map correlation for different data sets. Here we can get to know about the total registration and the growth rate. Moving on, to the Streamlit application part, we have created a Streamlit application for which is easily accessed by the people. So here, first we have installed the Streamlit application by pip install Streamlit. Then we have created a folder called app.py. Then we have generated the code. To run the Streamlit application, we have to use the function Streamlit run app.py and nx local tunnel port 8501. By running this, we will generate a URL. On clicking on this URL, we will be directed to our Streamlit application. The application is processing. So this is our Streamlit application. This is the logo of our voltaic vehicle market. So these are the filters present. Select EV markers, select year, select vehicles category, select vehicles class. The visualization of EV sales over time will be explained by my teammate Ajam.
So this graphs and EV sales over time. You can see this graph. This graph tells about how many sales in a particular year. Just if I want to check in 2024, and we want to check API Limited Private Limited Company for how many sales in 2024. So what will we do? This graph tells about in this company and tells about how many sales in this year. So it will be so that this sales it's more than in 2024 API Motor Private Limited Company sells more than 146. This graph tells about this. And I can change another year and another company, just like if I want to check another company for particular year, this will tell about the how many sales in that particular year. So the next part, sales distributions by vehicle category in 2021, is explained by my teammate Neetu Kumari. Thank you.
Thank you. Sales distribution by vehicle category in 2024. In this graph, x-axis is category of vehicle, and in which can be see that two W categories of highest sales in the year 2024. Then we can change. Then we can change sliding in bars sales distribution in 2019. Two W categories of the highest sales and the 3W category is the lowest sales. Next part will be explained by team members by Manish Kumar.
Uh, my name is Manish Kumar. My ID is FT40 110. I have to give then explain. This graph is so top 10 EV market by sales in 2024. So that highest sale in Ola Electric Private Vehicle Private Limited. Then will be changed in hands to the 2020. We can see the VC Electric highest sale in the 2020 that make tailing my team maker Neha.
So the next part is EV vehicle class distribution. Here we can see the vehicle class in the x-axis and the total registration done for the each vehicle class. Here we can see the two-wheeler LT has the highest registration. The next is the yearly sales trend for all the EV makers. This is the yearly trend, the sales of each company of the EV
Neha, you have
maker.
to speak clearly.
Yearly sales trend for all EV maker. Here we can see the EV makers companies have yearly increase or decrease sales in 2016, 18, 20, 2022, and 2024. This shows the yearly sales and their improvements year by year. The next is the EV market share maker in 2019. Here we can see the YCL electrical vehicle has the highest market share in 2019. If we change the year to 2024, the app is processing. So here we can see the Ola Electrical Technologies Private Limited has the highest market share, which is 21.6% in 2024. The next is year-over-year growth sale. Here we can tell that uh, the companies or the EV makers, how much growth have they done year by year, how much growth they have done in 2016 to 2024. Next, we have used a line graph to present EV sales trends over years. So, the highest sales was done in 2023. Here we can see and explore the data. All the EV makers are present here with categories and the year and the sales done in that year. So if we change the year here to 2022, so here we can see the all the sales done by all EV makers in 2022. So this is the streamlined application created by us in which is user friendly. I'll be so this is a project done on Indian EV markets. So this was a very technical and very challenging for us. So this project has brought us and we have learned a lot of things about the Python and creating the Streamlit application and deployment, everything. So thank you for this opportunity and for your time for uh, us to present this project in front of you. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, because this project helped me to improve my visualization, analysis, and development skill. Thanks for giving this project. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.